What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Barbados Walker. This is Lanterns at Hastings. This is a nice mall, and today we're going to be exploring it. I have to get out of the sun. This is hot sun, ladies and gentlemen. So we begin here. There are a lot of restaurants at the bottom here, and my favorite part of every building is the elevator. So I'm just going to go up for no reason. To begin this video, and then I will come back down and then the video will actually start. They're playing music here, but it's not that loud, so I think I may be able to edit it out of the video and still leave in the commentary. If you can hear this commentary, it means I succeeded. And unlike my last video, I won't have to mask the entire audio. So we're currently upstairs, but I didn't look at everywhere downstairs. I just wanted to try the elevator. So I'm going to go back down, and then we're going to, oh look, this side is glass, which means you can look at yourself go down. Check this out. Amazing stuff. Next, we're using the escalator. Okay, cool. Yeah. Right. These are nice. Very cute restaurants. Let's look at what we can expect to see in terms of restaurants. And here they have. Hello. Yeah, how do you sell them? Sorry, I didn't hear that. Okay. All right. All right, thank you. Okay. So I don't know if that was audible to you guys, but she said everything is priced by portion sizes. So you pick what you would want, and then they will tell you what it will be. So, without any, extra stuff, I think these are clothes shops, these are boutiques. And then at the end is IMAT Pharmacy. Have we been in an IMAT together before? I don't think I've ever entered an IMAT with you guys. I should enter an IMAT with you guys so that you see what it looks like. It's kind of like Massy, but it has a different vibes. The prices are slightly different, obviously. And I don't know how to explain it. When I go to one of the IMATs with you guys, you'll see what I'm talking about. So, hello. Here they sell Korean fried chicken. Good food, good mood, good vibe. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I don't know if they're new, but this is the first time I'm seeing it. And then you have this food place as well. All these places you can sit down here and eat. It'll probably be a lot busier during lunch break or in the evening. Maybe I'll come here one night and see if there's a difference. because that's how most places in Barbados are. It's currently 11:30 in the morning, so you expect very different vibes if you come back here in the night. Fun fact, if there's an elevator and an escalator in any establishment, I will go up and down it at least 2 or 3 times before I leave the place. That's how much I love them. The consumption of food items and beverages not purchased from lanterns are not permitted. Tables are reserved for restaurant patrons only. Alright, so they're trying to save seats so that people don't just gather here and fill up the whole place. And then people who buy from the restaurants don't have any place to sit. That's very nice incentive. Here is really cool, and I think it has a lot to do with these fans. Because if you look around, there's a lot of greenery, and then the fans are circulating the cool air. So it feels like there's AC turned on outside. And I was just standing in the sun right now, and it was really hot. But upstairs here, AC level chillness. So I think it's nice. Alright, so here, there's something really interesting here. It said dress code in effect, no pets allowed. And when you see dress code in effect, you're probably thinking, should I wear a suit or whatever? No, it just means don't come like unreasonably disrobed. Don't. A lot of people, especially on this Hastings South Coast side, walk around in bikinis, and their excuse is probably that they are coming from the beach. But here, like, dress responsibly, look decent, wear a shirt, wear clothes, don't come naked and claim you just came from the beach. That's what it means. So no, you don't have to wear a tuxedo to come to Lanterns Mall. Lanterns at Hastings. On this side, you have a lot of clothing stores. And I think practically everything here is a clothing store. This store is still unrented. Oh, this is a makeup. Beauty and makeup. Yeah, Bentley Beauty Supply. Okay. Then over there you have KFC. There you have Seoul Gas Station. You have Burger King. And then you have the buses that take you to Bridgetown from here. So in that direction, it takes you to Oysters. In this direction, it takes you to Bridgetown. I'm going to do a different video showing you guys what to expect around Hastings and on the beach and so on and so forth. Subscribe so that you don't miss that video. And if you like what you see and you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and enjoy. Now, let me find one of these boutiques that catches my eye. And just enter it. Which one do I find fancy? Naturally, that also sells men's clothes. Let's enter this here. Now that place is called A Touch of Class.
Yeah, the video's different.
But I tell you most solemnly, they had several touches of class. The place was the quality of the materials I saw there, the fragrance, the ambience, the music. They were playing jazz. Now, as a pianist who has struggled with learning jazz, jazz fascinates me on so many levels. On the level that it is just objectively good music, on the level that it is complicated music that the musician finds a way to make very simply. These are the bathrooms, by the way, in there. And anybody that plays jazz, like really good jazz, they immediately become best friends. All right, so this place is a relatively small place compared to the other places that we've toured, places like Sheraton, places like Massey, some of the big Masseys like the Massey at Warrens and a whole town. But it has really nice stuff, especially for the people here at Hastings. You can come to the RBC Bank. They have ATMs. They have beauty places. Look at everything they have. This is the one we entered, A Touch of Class, and then we saw Bentley Beauty as well. And these are the other things that were there. These are the upper level outlets. And it's mostly food, nice souvenirs, clothes, and stuff like that. So if you want to come here and check it out, they also have gadgets. Look at this sweet and sassy makeup product or skincare product, I should say. And then over here they have jewelry, crystals, etc. All right. So we are going to go up this escalator again because why not? It's one of the fun attractions of any building. And I just want to thank you guys. We're almost at 1,500 subscribers. You guys have been amazing. I started this as just a fun hobby thing because I kept going to different beautiful places and I said, oh, let me show the Bajans what this place looks like and let me get their opinion about certain things I think about Barbados. And that became the Barbados Walker. And now I have the opportunity to go up and down escalators multiple times on the YouTube channel for your entertainment. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Now that I've completed my mandatory up and down the escalator multiple times, and I'm a very happy man. Bye.